everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be using these beautiful colours from Beetles, and we want to create a dandelion accent nail. So hope you enjoy it. Let's get into the video. So first up we've got our tip, and we're going to take our Lavender Violets black, because we're just going to do all the normal nails first, and then I think we do the accent last. So I'm just putting on a coat of black as the base, and as always 2 coats of colour and cure. Sorry, I'm slightly out of shot there. And that goes into the lamp. And here's our second tip. And then to the lamp when you're happy. And the next one is going to be white. So we're going to pop that on there, and again 2 coats. Apologies if I cough or I sound rough. I am just recovering from COVID, which I got over Christmas on day 5, so I'm feeling a lot better today. But yeah, it was pretty rough. But anyway, it seems like everybody's getting it around me, so it's inevitable really. But fit and healthy and fighting it off, so that goes into the lamp. And here's the next tip. So this time we've got the Beetles 867, which is a really beautiful glittery one. Again, we're going to do 2 coats of this one. This set's really easy actually, but it's quite interesting how it all comes together. In the lamp it goes, 2 coats. And now we're taking the 867, and we're going to put some of that on one of the black tips and sort of like ombre it up, the glitter. To make sure you've got plenty on. And then, I mean, I'm just using my glitter brush here that I used to apply glitter. So I'm just using that to sort of like push it around and drag some of it up. And then when I'm happy with the placement, that's going to go in the lamp. And then we're going in for a second coat, just to really enhance that that glitter ombre. And then just pushing the glitter around and popping it in the lamp. The next one, I've got my white tip here. So what we're going to do here is I've got my palette out, and I'm taking 866 by Beetles. So this is our accent nail. So this is the dandelion nail that we're going to be doing. So we're just going to put a little bit of that on the palette, and then I'm taking a top coat gel. I'm using the Beetles Top It Off gel here. And I'm just going to put a blob of that in the middle, because what I want to do is I want to water that colour down. I don't want it so pigmented, I want it slightly sheer. Looks like we're running out there, so I might need to water some more. There we go. Make sure that you've not got any on the brush before you put it back in the bottle. And I'm just taking my dotting tool and mixing it. And this is my gel brush from Magpie, I believe. I'm just picking up some of that, and I'm just going to do, again, I'm sorry I'm out of shot, I obviously didn't realise what I was doing here. Just sort of doing like a rough circle. So this is like the background to your dandelion. Oh, there we go, back in shot again now. So it doesn't need to be a perfect circle, it's just, that's why this is super easy. It's like an abstract dandelion, so it's really, really good. As you can see I'm just patting it around until I'm happy. There's no right or wrong way to do this really. It depends on the effect that you want. Also, apologies for the lack of videos lately. Since we moved house, it's been crazy busy, and I've actually been doing nails back to back on humans, on actual humans, rather than, you know, just a practice hand or what have you. So it has been a bit crazy. That spinning the lamp. Oh, my Natalie Mugridge detailer brush, which I adore, is coming out next. And I have some black, I believe. I'm not showed you on the video for some reason. I have black. I've loaded my brush, and we're just going to do the dandelion stem, and then just some lines from the inside out as part of the dandelion, all the way around until you're happy. But yeah, like I said, it's been crazy busy, and then obviously with Christmas as well. Yeah, madness. Since we moved house and we're in a different location, it's almost like there's not enough good quality nail techs around here, because everyone's gone mad for it, and I've had to turn people away because it's been so crazy, and that side of the business really took off, which I'm really happy about. But I still need to find time, obviously, to do some of my nail art videos for all you guys, because I love the nail art. That's what I love. So yeah, stick with me. I will upload some as and when I get chance, but it won't be probably as regularly as it used to be. So I'm just putting little ones in between as well for the dandelion, just little lines, not quite as long, all the way around again, filling in those gaps. And then if you're happy, that goes in the lamp to cure, and out it comes. So next, again, you can't see because I'm out of shot, I've got that glittery blue one, and I'm just putting it on a dotting tool and just like dotting it on some of the longer bits of the dandelion stripy things, whatever you want to call them. I don't know. I don't even know what they're called. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I did faff a fair bit with this, and then some of the glitter pieces are a bit big, like that one that you just saw me take out there, so need to get those out because otherwise it'll just stick up. And then I decided that I was going to do some dots everywhere. I don't know whether that's because I had a dot on that other one or not, but and then I'm putting some of that in the middle as well. Adding more blue dots. As you can see, it's super easy. So that goes in the lamp to cure, and then when that's finished, we are just going to add some more dots with black, I believe. Yep, with black. Not quite sure why I didn't show you the colours on the palette or even the bottle before I started filming, but there we go. We'll get there in the end. Some black dots. Randomly. Some fatter than others. And that's going in the lamp as well. So that's that done. I think we're now top coating. Yes, we are. So we've got the Beetles Top It Off top coat. Make sure nice even coverage so that it's not lumpy bumpy if you were to do this on a client, because not everybody likes to feel the texture. I had a lot of Christmas clients that do actually like some textured nails, and we were doing like snowy nails and things like that, so that was quite cool to do. But yeah, a lot of clients don't like it. So that's going in the lamp. And I'm going to top coat the black ombre one. In the lamp it goes. And my full glitter one. This is where it really makes the glitter ones pop and sparkle and shine. Once the top coat goes on. It's like the finale. In it goes. And finally, the plain black one. And I'll show you them all at the end. It goes in. So here we go, that's all of them together. It's quite effective and really, really easy to do, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and a like and subscribe if you don't already, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.